Follow this video to install the leak detector kit on a Quantum pump. This video procedure covers the process of installing the leak sensor on the different sizes of the product line, as well as both the hygienic and industrial pumps. Before starting, ensure you have the following required tools. Perform the steps to prepare the equipment for repair as described in the manual. Disconnect the power. Remove the control cover. If installing a leak sensor for the first time, remove the plug. Carefully turn the switch for the leak sensor to the on position. See electrical schematics in your manual. Next, apply a watertight thread sealant to the threads on the leak sensor. Install the leak sensor into the reducer fitting provided. Apply a watertight thread sealant to the threads on the reducer. Install the leak sensor assembly into the ports on the control housing. Securely tighten the reducer fitting behind the leak sensor. Connect the leak sensor wire to the port in the control housing based on the electrical schematic in the manual. Install the control cover. Cut the length of the provided hose into 3 segments based on the chart in the leak detector manual. Install each elbow fitting into the bottom port's elbow fittings. Connect one end of each short length of hose to an elbow fitting. Connect the open end of each short length of hose to each side of the T-union. Connect the long length of hose to the center port of the T-union. Connect the open end of the long length of hose to the Quick Connect port. Install a breather fitting in the side port. Firmly tighten all connections.